Why does your scanner show the P2A04 engine code? What does it mean? P2A04 is a diagnostic trouble code for O2 sensor circuit range performance bank 2 sensor 2. This engine code indicates that the powertrain control module, or your car's main computer, sets this code when it detects that the downstream oxygen sensor on bank 2 is not performing within its normal parameters. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty O2 sensor, wiring and connector issues, exhaust leaks, incorrect fuel pressure, fuel injector problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Chevrolet and Hyundai models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.